Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Nigira Techies. This is our React.js tutorial. So part of this video, let me explain how to install Bootstrap in our React.js application. So most probably we all know this Bootstrap provide this good look and feel for our UI and also this responsive design. Now let me show my existing application. See the look and feel. So hereafter I'm going to apply the changes for the Bootstrap. So once everything is completed, you can feel the difference, okay? Now let me go to my application. So the first step is we have to install these Bootstrap packages. So the command is npm install Bootstrap. So it will install the latest version of Bootstrap in our application. So meanwhile, let me go to the official site. Okay. So if you search Bootstrap, it's the first link getbootstrap.com. Then click this read installation document for this npm command. Yeah. So if you provide this version, so it will install the specific version. If you not provided, it will install this latest version. Okay, great. The installation gets completed. So we can check in this package.json. So see now the Bootstrap is included. The version is 5.2.1. Okay. So the second step is we have to refer this Bootstrap in our application. I mean our component pages. So this index.js is the first main page. So here I am going to import this Bootstrap. Node models, then this Bootstrap, then dist. So inside that CSS. So if I am checking the exact path folder, so here we can see all the different types of bootstraps. So for me, I am going to use this bootstrap.min.css. Okay. Okay, let me save it. So here after this node model is not required. Okay. Now let me stop my application. I'm going to rerun the application once again. npm. So if there is any package related changes, we have to rerun the application. That is the better approach. Okay, see the difference. So after installing our Bootstrap, the design is somewhat it's changed. Our can apply our Bootstrap related classes, then it will give some good look and feel. So before that, I have hard coded some styles. So let me remove everything. So this table, then this TD, it's not required. See now. Now let me go to this employee listing component. So in this table, I am going to include the class name. First class is table, then this table border. See the look and feel. Okay. And I'm going to include one more class, stable stripped. Okay. If you don't know about these classes, just go to this official site, then search like this. So you can see this basic class is stable. So the similar way they have provided n number of examples. So I just used this stripped, the similar way these columns. So whatever requirement based on that, you have to choose these classes and apply in our components. Okay. Now this is done, and also this link I'm going to provide one more class, button primary. See now this button also looks somewhat changed. Okay. Now our next step is I'm going to move this table into one of the card. Now let me go to this card component. So actually we have a number of examples. Now let me take this one. So in this card title we can give like employee listing, and other things are not required, so let me remove it. Okay, we have done. So instead of this class we can provide this class name, and this style also it's not required. Okay, see now. And one more thing, in our app component we currently using this app class, so instead of that I'm going to use this container. See now the size is reduced. Okay, so the next one is this menu. So currently I've just used on div tag. Instead of that we can use some navbar, that will be fine. So let me go here. Here I'm going to take this example. So our menus are available in this app header. Here what I'm going to do, first let me create one div tag and also command this existing menus. So inside that I'm going to add this content, whatever things currently I'm having. First let me copy this employee link and let me take this class. Okay, other than that everything is fine. The similar way I'm going to change all the links. And this third one is contact. So the first one is home. So if you noted here, it is having one more class, it's called active. Active. Okay, so finally we have to bind our title. For doing this one I'm going to use one h3 tag, and the class name is light. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, it's somewhat changed but it's not that much fair. So what I'm going to do, so instead of this bg light I'm going to provide bg primary and one more class Navbar dark, and instead of this h3 we can use this h4. Okay, somewhat fine, but we need to move these menus into the right side. So for this case let me remove these classes. Okay, see now it's somewhat better. So in case if you feel like instead of having this kind of menu you need some dark menu, then you have to change the class, that's it. So instead of this primary you have to give this dark. So then this dark screen will come, or else if you want light, so then the text gets gone, so we need to work on that. So I hope we can use this primary, that is much better. Okay, so now see the look and feel. Initially I shown on screen, so now you have to see this after adding out Bootstrap, it will give some good look and feel. And also as I mentioned, the Bootstrap will support further responsive. So let me show you here. See the screen now. So if I am expanding, then it will be like this. So when I am reducing, see now, it is completely aligned. Okay, it will be working fine. Okay, great. Now we are in the end of the video. Still, if you have any doubts or clarification, please post in the comment box, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. For getting this more details, just refer this official site of getbootstrap.com. So there they have provided n number of components. Okay, so if I'm going to this alert, so they have provided this sample output and also the exact code snippet, the HTML and CSS class only. The similar way for all the components, they have provided the controls. Likewise, mostly we are going to use this model pop-up related things. So once we have this sample pop-up, we have to implement based on our design. Okay, so you have to refer it. So in my next video, we can see one of the interesting topic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.